Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to play Roblox on any device instantly. So if you're on your PC, head over to bluestacks.com and here you can download this BlueStacks player. Here you can see play any Android games on PC, Mac and try instantly from our cloud. So when you go over, click on download BlueStacks and the installation process is pretty easy. Now next, after downloading your BlueStacks, you have it over here, you can open it. As you can see, we have Roblox right here because we've downloaded it already. Now, if you're doing this for the first time, you will need to register your email just as you would on your mobile device. This will help you to open your Play Store and search for Roblox. So right now we're going to click on our Play Store search, type in Roblox, and the results present Roblox. You can click on it. And for my case, you can see launch here and it's as easy as that. If you don't have it, you will need to download it first, and after which you can click on launch to have it. And now we have our Roblox. We're going to put in our username and password and click on sign in. And now finally, we have our Roblox ready to be played on our Windows PC. Of course, if you'd like to play Roblox on your mobile device, all you need to do is to go over to your Play Store and download it and begin playing. So whether you're using it on your PC or on your mobile device, you can play Roblox instantly using these options. If you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.